Hey guys, Barbara here. In this video, we're going to cover everything to do with text in Google Docs. There are so many great text editing features in Google Docs. However, it takes some time to get accustomed to a new interface, especially if you're used to another word processor. You may find yourself feeling frustrated in the beginning, but give it a chance and you will find great use in the features in Google Docs. In this video, we will look at changing fonts, adding new fonts, indenting, inserting those special characters that you need, line spacing, and the ability to write in columns. Let's get you to be a text editing master. Here is some text that I will use in order to demonstrate the various text editing features. Let's start with changing the font type. From your editing toolbar, you will see the font options. There are a number of font options and variations available to you from the drop-down list. Unfortunately, you are unable to add a font to Google Docs. However, there are already hundreds of fonts that you can choose from. At the top of this drop-down is the option for more fonts. When you select this, all of Google's fonts will appear. You will notice as I scroll, the list continues. If you are looking for a specific font, simply search for it from the search bar. If the font does not appear, it's probably because it isn't available. You can look for one that may be similar to the one that you currently use. A new font may give you a different feel to your documents. Explore what's available and don't get too caught up on the font. For those of you looking for handwriting-specific fonts, you are going to find Google Docs does not have great options for your needs. We hope that in the future, this is a feature that Google will improve upon. Unfortunately, there are no dotted scripts for learners to trace letters or letters written in lines. If you would like to sort the fonts that are available to you, you can do this from the drop-down menus over here. Here, you will be able to look for specific scripts, change the font types, and sort based on a few more options. Select the fonts you would like, and they will be added to your right-hand side, which is your My Fonts section. You can remove a font here at any time should you no longer want it to be available. When you are done, close this window. You will notice that on your drop-down menu now, new fonts are available as an option for you to select. The right of this font is the option to change the font size, to bold, italicize, and underline text, or to change the text color. If you would like to highlight a word, you can use this highlighting icon that appears, and your words will be highlighted. In all of Google's color palettes, if there is a specific color that you would like to use as it's part of your branding, simply select the little plus in the custom section that appears. Here, you can type in the hex number for the color that you are looking for. That color will now be added as an option for you to choose from. Further along this toolbar are your alignment options. Here, you can left align, center align, right align, or justify your font. If you would like to adjust the line spacing, you can use this icon. From the drop-down menu, you are able to adjust the line spacing to one of the options suggested, or choose your own custom spacing from the window that appears. You have a few paragraph options that appear here as well. There may be times when your text will run over to the next page. The paragraph options that appear here will change how your text flows from one page to the other. The next option over is numbering and bullet points. From the little drop-down arrow, you will see the numbering options that you have available. Notice what the indentation will do. I'll select this one and type in my first numbered option. If I select Enter, it will automatically make the new line number 2. If I would rather have it appear with an A, then use the Tab option on your keyboard or the indentation icon on your toolbar above. This icon will automatically add an indent and adjust the numbering system. If you would like to change the indent back, use the decrease indent icon. If you decide that you would like to change your numbering system, simply head to the toolbar, select the new option, and your numbering system will change. You are able to change numbers to bullet points as well. Simply select the bullet option you would like to use. If there is one icon or number from a list that you would like to change, double-click on that icon to select only that specific one, and then right-click. Here, you will get the options to adjust that single bullet point or number. Select the option you would like, and then change will be made. There may be times where you are looking for a unique character that is not a standard keyboard option. This is not a problem. Head to the Insert menu and down to Special Characters. A window will appear. In this window, you can find the characters you are looking for in a few ways. You can either filter the icons that appear from these two drop-down menus. Maybe you are looking for emojis, but you only want the symbols to appear. See how your search results become more refined? Alternatively, you could type in the letter you are looking for in the search bar, and all the options that are available will appear. This space here gives you the option to draw the icon as well. I find this feature really useful. Simply draw what it is you would like, and your search results will change. When you have found what you are looking for, close this window. Wherever your cursor was when you selected your special characters is where it will be inserted. You are now able to adjust the size of this character should you wish to do so. The last thing we are going to look at in this screencast is the option to change your text into columns. Highlight the text you would like to change, and from the Format menu, head to Columns. Here you will see the option to change the highlighted text to 2 or 3 columns. If you want to customize the columns a bit more, select More Options. From here, you can alter the space between the columns and choose whether or not you would like lines to appear between the columns. When you are done, simply select Apply and your changes will be made. Now that you're a Google Docs text master, be sure to watch the videos on how to use images in Google Docs, mastering tables, using Google Drawings, and all the other videos in the series. If you are able to work with the fundamentals of the tool, you are going to find your document creation becomes more enjoyable, and you feel more innovative with the documents you create.